Hello everybody, I'm Chris Boriston from Advanced Grinding Solutions Limited and welcome to our stand here at MACH 2024. We're a leading supplier of very high value solutions in grinding and surface finishing, and we've got a great stand here at MACH today. Firstly, we've got the Comat ultra filtration systems. We've sold quite a few of those now into the UK and they're going very well indeed. We've got our friends from Tschudin with us, sensorless grinding machines. And of course we have Rollomatic with their NP50 grinding machine. Furthermore, we have Krebs Riedel with us, showing their range of CBN and traditional stone grinding wheels. And finally, we have Craft & Bauer UK, who supply a range of firefighting systems for the machine tools. So now we'll be talking to our various suppliers of individual machine tools, and I'll be able to tell you a little bit more about their companies and their amazing products.
Tschudin is a family-owned company who has a cooperation with United Grinding. We're the leading manufacturer of centerless grinding machines in Europe. What differentiates us is that we try to make very reliable machines. My name is Tschudin. I'm the chairman of the company. Basically, we exhibit here two things. One is a model, about 1 to 10 of the machine, complete. And here is a model of the patented solution we have, that we have a workless blade traveling out and traveling in, permitting to load and unload parts by hand or by robot, and having no need in here for loading equipment which is damaged very easily. We are happy to be distributed by Advanced Grinding Solutions, our partners for many years. It is steady, good support in the English market. The MACH for us is a very important show for the English market, but also it is a window of high technology which you don't see anywhere else.
A pleasure being here. My name is Andrea Colombo. I am the general manager of Comat. Comat is a company that was founded 35 years ago by my father and my business partner Daniele, and we produce filtration system for the mechanical industry. If you want to be a leader in tools manufacturing or in precision machining in general, you're certainly using a neat cutting oil for your machining, and to have the oil clean and at stable temperature is absolutely critical for the end product, right? For the consistency and the quality of the machine piece. To do that, you need a proper filtration systems. We produce filters either that use cartridge technology, or like the one that we've got here today, use a filter media technology. They achieve a filtration level down to 3 microns. So imagine when you measure the pollution of air, they measure that in 10 microns, and we go down to 3 here. We now have presence, thanks to our friends of Advanced Grinding Solution here in the UK for a few years. We do have several customers spread across the kingdom and in Ireland as well. The MACH is traditionally a great place to be. It's the door for Europe to the US as well. And we like to come and see our customers and looking for more.
I'm Simon Backhouse. We're here at the MACH exhibition to introduce Krebs and Riedel wheels. I have a vast array of wheel specifications, from CBN to diamond to conventional abrasive, from small internal wheels up to the larger size wheels you see here today. The quality control is obviously key in the performance. But the product may not necessarily be cheaper in the outset, but it delivers economy through the life and quality of the products that it produces. The relationship with Krebs started around 20 years ago, where we were seeing many of our machine principals, including Krebs wheels on their machines as they came into the country. And what we were seeing is that customers of those machines were needing support. The reason we're here and presenting them at the MACH show is we can talk to the customers directly. They can visit us on the stand, and if they have any solutions that they need help with, we have the sales representative from Krebs Riedel here, Torsten Sieber, and he'll be able to talk them through any solutions they might need and also any improvements that they can make to their current processes.
Hello, I'm Louise Boriston, Managing Director of Craft & Bow UK. We install and service automatic fire suppression systems that go onto machine tools, purely machine tools only. So everything that we design can be bespokely made for machine tools. We use both CO2 and argon gas, and we also use sensors, ultraviolet optical sensors that can actually detect a fire within 1 second. And we also use infrared optical sensors for machines, for example, that cause a lot of sparking, so therefore a UV sensor would not be applicable. Also, we have mist extraction. We also have fire protection flap or go onto the mist extraction to prevent the flames going up into the mist extraction unit should an activation occur. And the whole system will be actually wired into the e-stop of every single machine, so the machine will stop to prevent damage to the machine. Our product is, we can actually make bespoke systems for any customer, so we can actually do much larger systems than a lot of our competitors. So a lot of them, they're normally 10 kg bottles and that's it, but whereas we can do up to like 250 litres or 250 kilograms of CO2 and have engineers that go all around the country, both servicing and installing. Basically, our systems complement a lot of grinding machines. We're on a lot of grinding machines. For example, we're on the Rollomatic machine over here. That is one of our systems, and so therefore the actual businesses complement each other because anything basically using oil, grinding needs an automatic fire suppression system. We've done many MACs and it's very good for us. We meet our customers, we see our customers. It's nice for the engineers to actually be part of MAC and see the customers as well. And it just gives us another, basically an area where we can actually sell to new customers if needed.
My name is Gabriel Danna. I'm International Sales Manager at Rollomatic. Rollomatic is a Swiss company providing solutions for tool manufacturers and other industries like medical and punches makers. Our strength is that we were tools producers before doing machines. So every product we present to the market, every software, is engineered from the point of view of the end user. This machine is the NP50. We invented the pinch and peel process we're using on this machine maybe 30 years ago now. And this machine allows to prepare blanks for cutting tools like step drills and mills. And also, as you can maybe see here, components for the punch industry and for the medical industry. And the strength is that in one single clamping, we can rough and finish in one shot the component we need to produce. Our strategy for the future is based on 4 pillars. One is the autonomous grinding. That means we are using strategies in order to have the first tool into specifications, so you don't need to waste blanks. Then we are working on the smart industry, which means having machine connected among them or with measuring system. We have a learning center when we provide online training and courses, both for machine programming, but also for maintenance of the machine themselves. And then, last but not least, we are working on lean processes. That means, again, clamping one blank in one machine and having all the operations performed in the same machine. So we're working since many years now with advanced grinding solutions. They have a very good knowledge of the market of the tool makers. They give us big support. And I'm coming from time to time with Chris to visit customers, but he's doing the daily job of keeping, the relationship active. And now we are here at the show because the UK and Irish market is important for us. So we want to, keep alive the relationship with our customers, and of course to introduce the novelties to those who don't know us or know the name but not more in detail what we are doing and what we can provide.
So that was a little bit more information about the world-leading products we supply here in the UK and Ireland, and please don't hesitate to contact us for any further information.